Something about fresh wig lines and a clean scalp. Hey Pookie, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super chill. We're going to be doing something to take care of me and have little chats and yaps here and there. So I'm taking out these old crusty cornrows. They're 3 weeks old. I've got flakes, like they're crusty, you know. So this is me taking care of myself after being sick for so long. And yeah, just kind of got some things on my heart. So I've been feeling a little overwhelmed lately, like I've been running on empty, just trying to keep up with everything. I mean, I'm balancing work, content creation, being a budding entrepreneur, being a mother to my boy, being a wife to my husband, being a sister, being a daughter, you know, like all of that stuff. And it's a lot. Like, I'm kind of struggling to stay present, and sometimes the hair is the first part we neglect. I know for me, you know. So this is part of me taking care of myself and kind of trying to hit the reset button, because I have been MIA and it was a much needed break because my body just wouldn't let me get up. Please look at how flaky my hair is. Product buildup, dandruff, ew. But anyway, I've been doing a lot of reflection since I've had the downtime, and I realized that I don't know how to let people take care of me. Like, I am hyper independent and I do things for myself, by myself. I don't know how to let people, you know, I don't know how to accept help, and I don't know how to let people take care of me. Like, it's very hard for me to receive softness. And I think I've been in survival mode for too long that I forgot what ease feels like. So today, me letting somebody else wash my hair and redo my cornrows and, you know, do my treatment is me letting go of control, sort of, and allowing somebody else to take care of me, because I'm currently in no state to wash my hair by myself because of the flu. But yeah, that's one of the things I've been thinking about. So I'm going to be getting simple tribal braids, and you know, this is one thing I'm like, let me not stress about it, let me not overthink it, let me just get it done, because I mean, my girl gets me, you know. And it's sort of time out for me, you know, thinking about how sick I've been and focusing on how much pain my body is actually in. I just wanted to forget for a minute, and I know after the cornrows I'm gonna feel cute and my skin is gonna be popping, and that's gonna make me feel a little bit better, you know. I don't even know if what I'm saying is making sense, but I hope you receive it the way I'm saying it. And yeah, I am really just trying to get back into this YouTube thing. But also, I wasn't going to post this video, but why am I deleting content I spent hours editing? First time I'm speaking to you guys this morning. Rushing to the hair salon because I woke up late. I've been sick, you guys know I've been sick, but I decided, let me get myself together, go get my hair done. I've got a hair collab I need to do, and I wanted my cornrows to be nice and fresh and clean. And yeah, we're rushing over there. My face looks depuffed. I did my gua sha routine yesterday, but the video is about my hair. Look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to drive kind of fast because we need to get going. Why is my car vibrating? Yep. Just need to grab my stuff. I feel very loopy because of the meds I took yesterday, which is why I don't like taking meds, because hey, mara a monate he ke tsofile hlatswa ka tlong ke tshware ke sefuba hleng beke kaofela ke tla ba bolella TikTok gore di teng mona ha ba batla. On 250. So I was talking to my hairdresser about my hair oil. She said, girl, bring them bottles to the salon, so when people come through, I'm gonna sell them the oil and she gets a commission. She sold out them bottles quite quickly, you know, and this is kind of me putting myself out there, because you guys know about my oil, but I haven't really done a lot of work to market it or, you know, putting it out there. But I'm working on the branding. Labels are in the works and stuff, you know, packaging. Remember, I'm building this from the ground up. I started my business from the ugly phase, so it was not branded and whatever, but the quality has always been there, and people can attest to what my hair oil has done for them. So I'm putting in work, guys. I'm putting in work. Akere tsatsi la ka la yang ke di 30 tsa April. So mabale motho ka o nantshitse hleng batho ke na le 9 years ke neng.
9 years. Ke milestone hle.
Sheba next year 10 years. Bona gruto e o hleng ene ntse ke na le 3 months.
Mara o batla ka high thata. Next time you go try a hairpiece. Go try a style hairpiece.
Hairpiece of it.
Thank you, guys.
Hot oil treatment take kaya. Like it's a tlung.
Hot oil treatment do yetsa jang?
How qeta thatholla then o tshasa o kenya botlolo ka ra like kopi ya metsi a bitseng for oil futhuma, then wa tshasa we kwele ka plastic maybe ma 20-30 minutes then wa hlapa e.
Ka re tla sebetsa mo tšhelete tla itsuwa.
Engata. And just like that, I started feeling better. Like it feels like being in a circle with your girlfriends. I mean, I'm laughing. I'm talking about my product. And the other women who were also getting their hair done were interested in the product because they're looking at my hair. And I am sort of becoming what I sell. Now we need to work on posting what I sell, because I don't think I post the hair oil enough. But anyway, I need to start romanticizing my life again, because sometimes it's not about doing too much. Sometimes it's about showing up for myself. And I think that's what today was about. I've been missing for a little while, but I'm coming back, and I'm still taking care of myself, because I've got a tendency of letting go when I'm not in the mood or when I'm not feeling good. And that's something I'm working on changing this year.
No kgathetse he that time.
Ke dula ke kgathetse.
Mara that's no kgathetse bit.
Oh, santinela. Oh, shavas gadi.
It's a done. Thank you so much.
What's that?
Where's that?
We're done. My hair's done. Guys, if you are in Bloemfontein and you're looking for the oil, please come to 68 McHardy Street in Brandbach. She has stock of the oil, and you can get you a bottle from her. It's selling. Like, the oil is selling. And just like that, I'm feeling better. I am headed back to bed though, because I'm tired. But I did something for myself today, and I spent a little time out of my bed and out of my house. Doesn't she look cute? Something about fresh wig lines and a clean scalp, like my face just looked lifted and stuff. Something about it. But I'm cold. I'm thinking about putting a wig on because I'm cold. My face is cold. My husband calls our wigs because they come out ears.